Good morning, children. I am taking science for you now. Children, the last class I have given notes for lesson number 3, that is water. Okay, children. Now open your classwork. If you have written, read that one. Now read the hard word spellings. Children, listen carefully and look in your classwork. Now first is hard words. First main is hard words. First one, bathing. Spelling is B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. Second, washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. Third, rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Fourth, animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Fifth, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Sixth, clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Seventh, rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S. Rivers. Eighth, ponds. P-O-N-D-S. Ponds. Ninth, drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Tenth one, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. So these are all hard words. Next page. Second main, fill in the blanks. First one, water is used for dash clothes. So for which one you will use? For washing clothes. So the spelling for washing is W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. So water is used for washing clothes. Second one, plants and animals also need water. So in the dash answer is P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Plants and animals also need water. Third one, all living things need dash to live. So answer is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. All living things need water to live. Fourth one, dash is the main source of water. So answer is rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Rain is the main source of water. Fifth one, plants need water to stay dash. So answer is alive. A-L-I-V-E. Alive. Plants need water to stay alive. Sixth one, we should drink dash water. So answer is clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. We should drink clean water. So these are fill in the blanks. Once again I will say fill in the blanks. First one, water is used for washing clothes. Second one, plants and animals also need water. Third, all living things need water to live. Fourth, rain is the main source of water. Fifth, plants need water to stay alive. Sixth one, we should drink clean water. Next, third main. Write true or false. Plants do not need water. So, plants will need water? No. There they are given it does not need water. So, it is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Second one, water can put out fire. So, if fire catches, if you pour water, it will off. So, it is true. T-R-U-E. True. Third one, rain is the main source of water. So, that is also true. T-R-U-E. True. Fourth, we can live without water. Can we live, children, without water? No. So, here they given we can live. So, that is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now fourth main. Circle the correct word. See, they are given two examples. So in that one is correct, one is wrong. So which is correct? You must circle that one. Okay, children. See, look in your classwork. Plants, doll, cannot live without water. So plants are living beings and doll is a non-living thing. So doll does not need water. So which is correct? So plants is correct. So circle for plants. Plants cannot live without water. Second one. Before drinking, we should, they given two options, freeze, boil water. So which is the correct answer? Freeze or boil? So boil is the correct answer. So circle for boil. So spelling is B-O-I-L, boil. So correct answer is, before drinking we should boil water. Okay children. Next, third one. Water can be stored in bucket or bag. So in bag you can store children water? No, we can't store. So bucket is the correct answer. So circle for bucket. So water can be stored in bucket. Fourth one. We should drink dirty or clean water. So which water you drink, dirty water or clean water? So we must drink clean water. So circle for clean. If we drink dirty water, what will happen? We will get fever, cold, cough and all, no children. So we must drink only clean water. So I have circled for clean water. Okay children. Next, fifth main. Unscramble the words and write them in the boxes. See, they are given your unscrambled words. So you must write it correctly. Okay children. In the dash. First one. Water is used for cooking dash. In the bracket they are given O-O-D-F. So you must write the spellings correct. So correct spelling is F-O-O-D, food. Children. Next, second one. Water is used for dash. So in the bracket they are given B-T-H-A-G-I-N. So that means correct spelling is, correct word is bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Okay children, they have unscrambled here. So you must write that spellings correctly. Letters. Third one. Water is used to put off dash. In the bracket they are given R-E-F-I. So correct spelling is fire. F-I-R-E, fire. Fourth one. Water is used for dash. So in the bracket they are given R-I-N-D-K-I-N-G. So correct answer is drinking. Spelling is D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking. Okay children. Next, fifth one. Water is used for washing dash. So in the bracket they are given T-H-E-S-C-L-O. So the correct answer is clothes. Okay children, spelling is C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. So these are all new types. Okay children. Next, sixth main. Answer the following. Now I am going to read question answer. Okay children. First one is, why do we need water? So children, why do we need water? Can you answer? So answer is, we need water to live. Spelling W-E-V-N-E-E-D, need, W-A-T-E-R, water, T-O-2, L-I-V-E, live. We need water to live. Children, next second one. Which is the main source of water? So, which is the main source of water? Answer is rain is the main source of water. R-A-I-N rain, I-S is T-H with the M-A-I-N main, S-Y-O-R-C is source, O-F of W-A-T-E or water. Rain is the main source of water. Next. From where do we get water? So you are catching water, no? That where you will get? From where you will get water, children? So answer is we get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, well, etc. W-E-V-G-E-T get, W-A-T-E or water, F-R-O-M from, L-A-K-E-S lakes, R-I-V-E-R-S rivers, P-O-N-D-S ponds, W-E-L-L well. Okay, children? We get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, wells. Next, fourth one. Name any 4 uses of water. So many uses are there for water. In that you must write only 4. Okay, children? So the 4 uses of water are drinking, bathing, washing, cooking. D spelling is D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking, bathing. B-A-T-H-I-N-G. Bathing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. So the 4 uses of water are drinking, bathing, washing, cooking. Okay, children? So once again, I read the question answer. Listen carefully. Why do we need water? We need water to live. Which is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. Third one. From where do we get water? We get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, wells, etc. Fourth. Name any 4 uses of water. So, drinking, bathing, washing, cooking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G drinking, B-A-T-H-I-N-G bathing, W-A-S-H-I-N-G washing, C-O-O-K-I-N-G cooking. Okay, children? These are the notes from lesson number 3. That is from water lesson. So, I think you could have understood. Any doubt, children? Okay. So, in the next class, I will ask you the answers. Okay, children? Thank you.